On the inside, you have two little inserts. We want to compress those inserts and then push it through or feed it through our panel. Did unplug or de-energize my system. Again, you may have a switch that you will have to turn to the off position. Unsure, you can always find the breaker that corresponds with that and turn that to the off position. Feed our wires in. You're just gonna gently compress those buttons or those inserts on the side and gently push in. Now that we've installed our door switch, this will allow us to properly work on the system safely. Now we're going to reapply the 120 volts. We're just going to make sure that we have voltage